Hello, my dear student. Good morning to all of you. Student, as you know, your chapter first already completed in your previous classes. My dear student, I hope you are all completed your chapter number 1 in your fair copy, that is the notebook copy. Okay? And student, today I will teach you chapter number 2, the teeth and microbes. The chapter number 2 name is the teeth and microbes. So our class 4th, okay, subject science, okay, topic teeth and microbes. Teeth and microbes. Date 16th of July 2020. Okay, student. Student, as you know, teeth is the most important part of our body. Teeth are the most important part of our body. It is very important of our body because the teeth not help us to chew and bite the food, but also help us to enable to teach, to talk, okay, and also help us to the smiling face, also provide the shape of the face and enable us to talk. Okay, student, except this, it is also provide the shape of our face, and student, they are arranged in the curved line. This line, suppose this is the lower jaw and this is the upper jaw. Okay, all there the teeth are okay. This is a curved row. So you are arranged in the curved line. Okay. So in our whole life, there are two sets of teeth are found in our life. First set is called the temporary, TEMPO, temporary teeth, also called milk teeth. And second is called the permanent set of the teeth. Okay, student, after the completing age of 3rd year, the temporary teeth are started. This is grow up to 6 years, 3 to 6 years. Okay, this is called the milk teeth. After the completing of the 6th year of the age, the milk is fallen down and the permanent teeth are grow in the place of the temporary teeth. Okay, student, what is the number of the temporary teeth and what is the number of permanent teeth? This is also called adult teeth. This is the number of the total teeth in the permanent is 32 and in the this is the 20. Okay, student, there are 4 types of the teeth. How many types of the teeth are found? 4 types. So student, open your textbook, chapter number 2, teeth and microbes. Okay, open your book please. Now your next topic is the types of teeth. Student, as you know that they are arranged in the curved surface, curved line. Okay student, so milk teeth and the permanent teeth. So there are 2 sets of teeth are found in our life. Okay student, so student, there are 4 types of teeth are found in our mouth. First is incisors, canines. Third, premolar, and fourth, molar. I give you a formula for learning of this number of the teeth. 2 1 2 3 upon 2 1 2 3 into 2 into 2. Student, the total number will be 2 1 3 2 5 3 8 into 2 is equal to 16, and 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 5 3 8 into 16. So 16 and 16 makes the 32. Student, you know that the arrange of the teeth in the curved surface. Okay, so this is the incisor. What is the structure of incisor? This type. Okay, chisel set. Incisor. What is the number of the incisor? Student, from here is the canine, premolar, and molar. Okay, molar. Same this 1 2 3. This is called molar, and 2. This is called premolar. This is canine, and this are called the incisor. Okay, half part and half part make the upper layer of the upper surface of the teeth. 8 and 8 make 16 upper and 16. Same this 2 and then 3. Okay, so student, these are 2. These are first of all incisor. What is the number of incisor? 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. The total number of the incisor in our mouth is 8. How many student? 2 and 2, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Okay, this is the use for, what is the use for? For biting. This is used for biting the food. And canine, where it is situated? Beside the incisor. 1 each side of the incisor, 2 upper side and 2 lower side, 1 into 2 and 1 into 2. So they are 4 in number. 4 in number. Okay, student. This is this type. For tearing, it is found only the carnivorous animal for the tearing the flesh. Okay, student. What is the premolar? Premolar are situated beside the canines. How many? There are 2. 2 this side and there are 2 this side. So in the upper jaw there are 2 into 2 makes 4. 4 upper and 4 lower. 8. Okay. Total number of premolar is 8. What is the use of the premolar? What is the use of for grinding? And student, molar, total molar 3 and 3 make 6. Okay, 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. 12. Okay, student. So counting the all teeth, 8, 4, 12, 12, 24 and 8, 32. Okay, 8, 4, 12, 8, 20, 2, 22, carry 1, carry 2 and 2, 1 makes 32. Okay, student. So write this formula, teeth formula. Teeth formula. So student, read very carefully all types of the teeth which are given in your book. Incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Okay, student. And what is the number of the sets of teeth? Means the types of sets in your mouth. This is the curved line. Okay. And student, your next topic is the except this is the one teeth also is after the age of 16, that is called wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. Wisdom teeth. Tooth. Okay. Wisdom tooth. What is the use of wisdom tooth? Okay. They also use for the grinding of the food. It is besides the molar, last. Okay. In the last of the molar. Okay, student. Now, student, open your page number 19. So, total number of teeth are found in the human being are 32. Incisor 8, canine 4, premolar 8 and molar 12. There are concept check. Are given in your book. And try to solve this question. Did you solve this? I will help this complete the answer. Concept 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 check. Page number 19. Page number 19. Question number 1. Teeth help us to bite, smile, talk, all of this. So teeth do all of the work: bite, smiling and talking. First answer is D. Okay. Second, the first set The first set of teeth that appear in the childhood is called permanent local milk and the wisdom teeth. So student, the correct answer is the milk teeth. C. Milk teeth. And third, take the answer with the help of your pencil. Don't use the pen. And the teeth used to cut food are called. The teeth used to cut food are called. Student, incisor, canine, molar, and premolar. You know, it's crush. Which types of the teeth are responsible for the crushing the food? Student, molar. What is the use of molar? They grind and chew the food. What is the use of premolar? Premolar used for cracking and crushing the food. So premolar, question number D, option number D. And last four, bigger and sharper canine are found in. Bigger and sharper canine are found in. Student, in the flesh-eating animals, in herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, all of them. You know, canine is used for which purpose? For tearing the food. Tearing the food for the eating of the flesh. So this is found in the carnivorous. Option number B. So write the all answer in the test. Don't write in the rough copy or in the homework copy. Okay, student. Now your next topic is the structure of the tooth. What is the structure of the tooth? Student, you know that there are two main parts are found in the structure of the tooth. First, upper part is called the crown and the lower part is called root. Okay, root. The most hardest part that is called the enamel, which is found the upper surface of the tooth. Okay, so draw the structure of the tooth with me. Okay, right, and draw the structure of the tooth. Student, structure of a tooth. Try to draw. This is already given in your book. Okay, I will draw in the very roughly. Okay, student. So this is the divide into a crown, and which are the set in the jaw bones, that is called root. Okay. So student, this is called the enamel, enamel, and this is called the pulp. This is the called pulp, and this is called the gums. This is called the nerves. Okay, student, the upper part of the tooth is called enamel, which is very hardest part. Okay, how cavities form in the tooth? When we bite or eat something, the small bites of the stuck in between the tooth. Okay, when they are not rinsed with water, they form a layer that is called, plaque. 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 After some days, plaque increases the number of the many germs, which secrete an acid, and make the small hole on the upper surface of the tooth. This is called cavity. This cavity increases in their size and goes deeply and causes the falling down of your tooth. So it is very, very essential to clean your tooth twice daily with your brush. Okay, and rinse your tooth in every meal or when you are eating something. Okay, please rinse your mouth with the water. So student, your next topic is the how plaque is generated in the tooth. Very simple. When we bite something of the food, they are stuck between the teeth. Okay, they start formation of plaque. Plaque start germs, and germs start the cavity. Cavity. Inside cavity, there are many germs are found, and they are not easily to erase or killed by the medicines. Okay, this can be killed only the root canal therapy. Okay, student. So read this topic also at your home. What is the structure of the tooth and what is the teeth and cavity. And student, first of all, try to draw the structure of the teeth of a tooth and what is the cavity of the tooth. Okay student, so it is very important in our daily life to how care of tooth. So very easy. So rinse your mouth in every meal or when you something eating the food, and student, twice the brush of your teeth early in morning and before going to your bed. And student, some more tips are given in your book. Okay student, so brushing properly with correct methods in the sides, in the front sides. Both sides are necessary to brushing, because brushing keep away the bits of the foods which are stuck between your tooth. Okay student, and use the soft bristle and change your bristles or brush each 3 months or 4 months. Okay, and student, floss your teeth every 6 months, every day. You can Flash means how. This is a thread, silk thread, by which we can flash the in between the tooth. There are some small bits of the food are stuck. So flash is very important method for cleaning the bits of the food. And student, your next tips are eat the raw vegetables, by which we can keep our gums healthy and fit. Okay, eat raw vegetables. So, for example, carrots, radish, apples. Okay, these types of vegetables and fruit. So, chew the food properly. Chew the food properly, and student, visit the chemist and doctor every 6 months for proper caring of your tooth. Okay, student. So today's topic are what is the tooth, set of tooth, okay, structure of tooth, and what is plaque, PLAQUE, and care of tooth. So student, read this topic. What is the importance of tooth? What is the set of tooth? What is the structure of tooth? What is plaque? How it form in our tooth? And what is the tips of caring of the tooth? Okay, write down the homework. Homework. Read about tooth and their structure. Okay. Second, read about plaque and care of tooth. Only 2 points. Read about the tooth, including the sets of tooth and sets, and what is the structure of a tooth. Okay, student. And what is the plaque, how it formed in the tooth, and what is the care of the tooth. Okay, student. I hope you will all cooperate to me and read properly at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, student. Thank you once again. Write down all the homework. Okay.